Not everybody is an expert in e-commerce and online training areas. Sometimes we need help where we get stuck and are not able to get further with the troubleshooting. In this kind of situation, Shopware offers different kinds of support opportunities. So in this video, I will show you how you can get support from Shopware. First of all, you will need to log into your Shopware account using your credentials. After that, you will see the dashboard with 4 or more, depending on your status, categories. So no matter if you are a Shopware partner, customer, or extension partner, on the left-hand side of this dashboard, you will find everything you need. The merchant area, so the merchant of your Shopware account, is your central system for our interaction. You have the possibility to manage your shop domains, licenses, and plugin licenses here. You can also use your account to get support from Shopware and plugin manufacturers. So when you open the merchant area, you will find 4 subcategories. Under shops, you can maintain your shops. The last 2 subcategories take you to the documentation and the FAQ. And if you want to create a support ticket, just click on support. In this overview, you now see your requested support tickets or requested support. You can filter by unanswered, answered, and closed tickets. You can use these 2 links to get to the documentation of Shopware 5 or Shopware 6. You can filter by search terms. You can change the entries for this page, reload this page, and up here, this is the main part, you can request support. So if your plan allows you to, you can request developer support, and if not, you can just request normal support. In this video, we will just request a normal support or request the technical support. So just click on the button and then you have to select a shop. In this case, I will just take one of my new shops. Click on next step, and then I have the opportunity to choose from Shopware support. So this is if I need assistance from Shopware, and the extension support. This is when I need assistance for extensions from Shopware or from the Shopware store. After that, I have to choose how I would like to submit my support. So I can choose between email support or telephone support. So this is a callback option. And if I choose the things here, everything I need to know is in this information box. So it says that I have the support hours, this is my reaction time, and the service charges, so the support service is free of charge. In the next step, I just enter everything Shopware needs to know. So my name, my email address, phone number. This field with the support link is just necessary for cloud users. So obviously this is grayed out now. I can tell Shopware if I accept English answers, yes or no. Here I have to type in my subject, and this is the main part of the ticket. So this is the area where you should describe your issue. Then you can enter some points you already checked, and beneath we've got the areas for the access data. So I really recommend you to enter the access data to the test environments. So we can start with the troubleshooting directly. So if you just enter something here. This button gets blue, so you can click on it. And then you come to the next step with the information about your ticket. So we've got the estimated deadline of this ticket. This will be today. So at this point, I can either go back or send my request. Back in our ticket overview, we can now see the previously created Shopware ticket with every information in the dashboard. So this is my new ticket ID. We've got the subject here. My product. In my case, I've got a Shopware Beyond plan. My shop with a link to it. And the support type. I can see the status. So in this case, it's still unanswered. And the dead time of this ticket. So if I want to have a look at the ticket again, I can either click on details or on the ticket ID. So this is how it looks like in the detail view. So we've got our ticket and everything inside the ticket. I've got the information again, the ticket ID, created on, my answer languages, my domain, and the response dead time.